Last class we have discussed about the interfacing of DC motor. We have discussed about the direction control. The direction of DC motor can be controlled by using the 8051 microcontroller. Now today we are entering into the discussion about how the speed of DC motor can be controlled. Speed of DC motor can be controlled by using 8051 microcontroller. Now for the case of speed control, there are different ways or different parameters can be controlled for controlling the speed of DC motor. But in this case, normally we try to control the average power of supply, average power of DC motor supply. Control means increasing or decreasing. We can increase or decrease. We can increase the average power for increasing the speed of DC motor, and for decreasing the speed we decrease the average power. That average power can be controlled by using the pulse width modulation, PWM. Now this is the motor connection, and here in this figure this is the direction control. Now for a particular direction, say for a particular direction we want to control the speed. So this is the supply given to the DC motor. If the supply is constant, say 12 volt, then this motor will rotate or will move with a constant speed. Now if we want to change the speed, then the average power means this is a function of current and voltage. So I am considering here that average voltage that can be changed, and that is normally done in this case with the PWM signal. So in the case of PWM signal, this is the pulse width modulation. Modulation means something is modulated or changed. What is changed in this case? The width of the pulse. Width of the pulse is changed in this case. Width of the pulse means, say this is the actual supply. এই সিগন্যালটা দিয়ে এর যে সাপ্লাইটা আছে সেই সাপ্লাইটাকে কন্ট্রোল করা হয়. This is the output of the microcontroller. By using this output, the supply of the DC motor is controlled. Now in this case, supply of the DC motor is not the 5 volt. It is normally 12 volt. This is higher than the 5 volt, the 6 to 12 volt like this. But here it is 5 volt. By using this 5 volt, the 12 volt of the supply is controlled. এটা দিয়ে 12 volt supply টাকে control করা হয়. মানে কি? So this output from the microcontroller. This is logic 1. So when this is logic 1, say this is switched 1. Switched 1 মানে 12 volt supply is applied here. When this is logic 0, this is cut off from the DC motor. So at that moment the supply of DC motor is 0. Again this is logic 1. So again it is with the DC motor, means supply is already connected. So by this way, so this is the output of microcontroller. Using this output, the similar way with the similar frequency, this power supply has been cut, again has been make it connection. The time duration for connecting the power supply and for disconnecting the power supply, this time duration, according to this time duration, the average power will be changed. Means if the time duration is like this, means this is the one time, this is the one off time, then the average power will be 50%. Now if the on time is higher than the off time, then average power is higher than 50%. If the on time is lower than the off time, then the average power is lower than the 50%. By varying the on time of this pulse, we can change the average power of the DC motor applied on it. The average voltage depends on the duty cycle of the signal period of time. Duty cycle এর উপর depend করে. Duty cycle is the on time divided by total time period. This is the one time divided by total time period, means from here to here, this is the total time period. So if we vary the on time, then total duty cycle will be varying. So duty cycle is the parameter in this case. Means while we change the duty cycle, then the average power will be changed. Higher on time of the pulse is the higher speed, lower on time creates the lower speed. This is about the duty cycle. So here in this case, this is the on time, this is the off time. So on time is equal to off time. So on time divided by total time is equal to 50%. This is the different example. In this case, this is the on time is higher and this off time is very small. On time is 6 and total time is 8 unit. So 6 divided by 8, that is the 75%. Here this is 1 unit is high and this is off. 1 unit is on and 7 unit is off. So 1 by 8, that is the 12.5%. So easily we can understand that if we increase the on time of the pulse, the no doubt the duty cycle is higher, no doubt the average power will be higher. See here, this is on time and this is the off time. Again this is on time, this is the off time. So 1 unit on time, 3 unit off time. So 1 divided by 4, that is the 25% duty cycle. If 25% duty cycle and the highest value is 12, then the average power is 3 volt. Means 12 divided by 1 by 4. 25% মানে হচ্ছে 1 by 4. If we increase the on time, so this is increasing on time. In this case, on time and off time are equal. So 12 volt, তার 50% is average voltage is 6 volt. In this case, say this is very higher than the, this is on time is very higher than the off time. So it is 12 volt divided by, this is 90%, that is 10.8 volt. So from this figure, easily we can understand that if we change the on time of the pulse, then the average power can be changed. This is a similar one example. When this is constant, constant means say 12 voltage is constant, then that is the full power. এটা কি হলো, পাওয়ারটা একটু কমলো, এটা পাওয়ারটা আরো কমলো, এটা পাওয়ারটা আরো কমলো. So by this way we will change the duty cycle of the pulse applied. This is the L293D driver circuit. In this driver circuit, terminal number 3 and terminal number 6, this is connected with the motor. Terminal number 2 and terminal number 7, these two terminal are the input from the microcontroller. When this terminal 2 logic 1, then Y is the output, this will be logic 1. Means এটা যদি on হয়, এটা 1, এটা 0 হলে এটা 0. So for rotating this motor with a particular direction, on terminal should be logic 1, another terminal should be logic 0. Say terminal 3 is logic 1, terminal 6 is logic 0. So for that case, no doubt we will provide P2.1 this terminal logic 1 and 2.0 this terminal logic 0. So if we keep this one fixed, then it will rotate, continuously rotate at a particular direction. If we want to change the direction, no doubt this will be reversed. Now for this moment, we are concentrating on the speed control. The speed control signal should be connected with terminal number 1. This is the pulse width modulation signal that again should come from the controller, here from the microcontroller. By programming, we will create a particular square wave with different duty cycle. We will generate pulse width modulation signal from terminal number P2.7, and that pulse width modulated signal must have the different duty cycles. Different duty cycles means as per our requirement. So by that we will produce the PWM signal, and the PWM signal will be connected with this terminal number 1. So this is the hardware construction, or the how the motors and the microcontrollers can be connected using the motor driver circuit. We are entering into the programming part. What is the sequence? For better understanding, we are considering that there is a switch which is connected with P1.0. If the switch is pressed, the motor will rotate with 50% speed. If the switch is not pressed, the motor will rotate with 75% speed. So আমাকে এখানে তিনখানা ইনপুট, one input is P2.7, this is the PWM input, another input is P2.0, and another input is P2.1. 3 inputs. These are the 3 inputs. This is PWM signal, and rest 2 are for the direction. So initial condition at the starting point, we want to keep the motor at stop condition. So for that case, we are initializing this as all are 0. We can use CLR P2.7. This is CLR P2.0, CLR P2.1. Means this is 0. 0 means this will not work. At the same time, the both terminal is 0, so motor is in stop condition. Now say switch is connected at P1.0. So this is another input, no doubt. So this is P1.0. Now the condition is that when the switch is pressed, then it will rotate in 50%. For checking the condition whether the switch is pressed or not, say we are using this JNB instruction. JNB P1.0 means jump somewhere if there is no bit P1.5, means P1.5 is not pressed. No bit means যদি সুইচটা প্রেস না করা হয় তাহলে কোনো একটা জায়গায় যাও, say L1. If the switch is pressed, then rotate it in 50%. What should be the instruction? প্রথমত হচ্ছে this two P2.0 and P2.1, this should have a particular value. So say this is set bit P2.1 and clear bit P2.0. means এই দুটো উপরেরটাকে লজিক অন করা হলো, নিচেরটাকে লজিক 0 করা হলো, means এটা rotate করবে with a particular direction. There will be a on and off at this point with a particular controlled time. So for that case, say to create the on time means this is 2.7, this terminal, this pin 2.7. So this will be set bit 2.7, means the high portion of the pulse started. সেটা কিছুক্ষণ ধরে থাকবে, কিছুক্ষণ ধরে রাখতে গেলে কি করতে হবে? There will be some delay. A call say delay. We are using only the registers for creating the delay. We may use the timer also. So this is what happened. This is logic 1, means the pulse is generating here and the high portion started from here. How long the high portion will be there, that will depend on this relay. After this high portion, no doubt this will be cleared for creating the low portion. So this will be CLR, and no doubt there will be a delay again. This for line, this is high portion of the pulse. According to this delay, it is 0. According to this delay, it will create the off portion, off time. So this two instruction will create the on time of the pulse, and this two will create the off time of the pulse. This is the creation of on off. Now we want to create the 50% duty cycle and 75% duty cycle. So when the switch is on, then say this is happening. When the switch is off, then the same thing will happen, no doubt, but with another duty cycle. So I am just copying here and pasting here. So when the switch is pressed, this is happening. When the switch not pressed, it will come to here. The same thing will happen. Same thing will happen means same square wave will be generated, but there must have the difference between these two. What is the difference? The difference will be on time and off time, and that will be created by creating the delay program. For the case of delay program, in this case I am using only the registers. No doubt we will use the DJNZ instruction, move R7 comma hash FF, any value I am taking here, and that will be decremented DJNZ R7. If not, wait here. তাহলে এইটুকু হচ্ছে একটা ডিলে হলো। এবার ধরো আমাকে এই ডিলে যদি সাফিসিয়েন্ট না হয় তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে কী করতে হবে, আমাকে একটা এই লুপটাকে রান করতে হবে inside the another loop. So in that case I am taking the another register, say move R6 comma again taking any value. এবার এই লুপটাকে আবার রান করতে হবে আর একটা DJNZ দিয়ে, DJNZ comma say W2 this will be R6 comma W2. Where will be this W2? W2 will be here, and this is return. This is the delay program. This is delay program. Create a particular delay. Say this is 1 second. Say I am taking an example. This is 1 second. So for 1 second this will be high, 1 second this will be low. No doubt this will create a wave whose on time is equal to uptime. Similarly, in this case it will create a pulse signal or square wave signal whose on time is equal to uptime. So in both the case it will create the 50% duty cycle. So the speed will be 50%. If we want to change it, no doubt I must change the delay. আমি যদি একটাকে 75-25% করতে চাই তাহলে আমাকে এই দুটো ইকুয়াল রাখলে চলবে না, দুটোকে আমাকে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে. How that can be changed? We are using another register in this case to create the difference of these two delay. Say I am using here move R5 comma what will be the value I am coming R5 comma hash. At this R5 will be used here. The whole loop will be in action according to the value of this R5. So again here I am writing djnz R5 comma যতক্ষণ না এটা R5 টা 0 হচ্ছে, this will be in continue condition. So this is the W3. So W3 is the level. That W3 will be here in this case. Now if we change the value of this R5 in different condition, then no doubt the delay will be different. Say the value is here 50. So move R5 comma 50, a call delay. The delay subroutine will run, and according to this 50, the delay subroutine means this whole will run 50 times. Now if we use this function here again, and if we keep the value of 50, then again high portion will be 50, low portion will be 50. Now for creating 75%, the same value of the R5 will be used here. Say this value will be 25, and similarly this value will be 75. See here, set bit P2.7 means high portion of the means on time, that will continue কতক্ষণ? If the normal delay is 1 second, that will run 25 times. So 25 second. For 25 second, sorry, for 75%, this will be 75. This will be 75. This will be 25. So for 75 second it will be one condition. CLR 2.5 will make it off, and it will delay for 25 second. If the delay, normal delay program is 1 second, I am considering taking the value delay is 1 second. It is not 1 second exact value, we will have to calculate it. But if we consider that the delay is 1 second, for 75 value, R5 value is 75, it will wait for 75 second, it will wait for 25 second. So for 75 second it will be logic 1, for 25 second it will be logic 0. So here a square will be generated whose on time is 75% and off time is 25%. Ultimately this will create 75% average value, and this will create 50% average value. So this is, I think, the whole program for creation of two types of speed. In this case we have used one switch just for our laboratory or practical purpose to see whether the speed can be varied or not. We can use any type of condition according to our project uses. In this case, what was our motto? Our motto is that when the switch is pressed, it will create 50% speed for the DC motor, or DC motor will rotate 50% speed, and when the switch is not pressed, it will rotate with 75% speed. So see here, on condition have been used here. JNB P1.0, switch is connected with P1.0. So when switch is JNB means no bit, no bit means switch is not pressed, say. So switch is যদি প্রেস না করা হয় তাহলে চলে আসো এখানে, আর যদি প্রেস করা হয় তাহলে পরপর সিকোয়েন্সগুলো করে যাও। কি করা হয়েছে, ফার্স্ট টু, দিস ইজ রোটেটিং ফর পার্টিকুলার ডিরেকশন, only this value 2.7, this is changing. Set bit 2.7 will make the logic 1 and clear make the logic 0. In this case value of R5 is 50, in this case value of R5 is 50, so for 50 times the delay program will continue. In this case the value of R5 is 75, means that the delay will run for 75 times. For the case of uptime, value of R5 is 25, so uptime delay will be 25 of the normal delay. This is just an example how to write the program to generate different duty cycles pulse width modulated signal to change the speed of DC motor. Say here will be the main, and short jump to main, we must write a origin, say 00H, end will be here. So this is up to today's class.